welcome to my channel. I'm Akimmie Nicole, and in today's video I am going to be showing you how to do these knotless jumbo box braids. I did reference the video. Chev B, she posted how she did it, and I was like, I gotta try it because it looks good. So make sure you check out her video. I'm gonna link it below. But I think it came out really good and it was really easy. If you know me, you know I do not know how to like do feeding braids. If you watch any of my other videos, so I usually stick to the things I know how to do. But once I seen her use the crochet method to do it, I'm like, oh, I could definitely do this. So if you want to know how I achieve these knotless box braids using the crochet method, no rubber bands, keep watching. It's so simple. I started my knotless jumbo braids and so far it's coming out good. I just messed up big time with the hair that I bought. I bought a braid, but I didn't buy it pre-stretched, so it's taking me much longer to do it because I have to stretch the hair myself, and I don't know how to stretch the hair, so I'm pretty sure I wasted like a bunch of hair so far. But I already have some broken apart. So you're gonna need a braid, of course. You're gonna need a crochet needle. You're gonna need a comb of your choice, and I'm using the Shine and Jam extra holds for some holds so it looks shiny and sleek. And I'm also using this Sulfur 8 scalp condition because when I did my twist, for some reason, I don't know if it was because my scalp reacted to the hair I bought or because my hair was just extremely dry. So you part your braids. I'm gonna put my Sulfur 8 grease or scalp condition on because my scalp is crazy dry. I only bought one clip. It's fine. And I'm gonna start off with this braid. So I blew out my hair as much as I could. I'm gonna leave out some of my edges. And then I'm going to put the Shine and Jam around my hair, make it nice and sleek. Okay, here's the easy part, okay? Easy part is doing your little braid, box braid, or your little plait, whatever you call it. So you're gonna do a box braid. Not that far down. I think this is good enough. It's probably a little bit too much, but we'll work with it. Ugh. And then the good thing about breaking the hair up is you can add as you need once it's broken up. So I'm gonna take the hair, it's really long, so I'm only gonna fold it in half right here. I'm gonna put my needle through open, put the hair on, close it, and then pull it through, and then pull the whole thing through. And as you can see, that's gonna be too thin, so I'm gonna add another piece of hair, which is probably about the same size. Usually I use about 3 pieces of the hair to make the braid as thick as I want it. And if all the pieces are even, then it works out, but sometimes some are thicker, so I only use 2 pieces. Honestly, the hardest part for me is like figuring out how big or how much hair I use in each braid. Open the hook, put the hair on, close the hook, and pull it through, just like that. So get it in. Let me think. This hair gets tangly. I really got the wrong hair. I don't know how I did that. So I put some hair with my hair, which is obviously right here. Put a little bit more hair with it. Just make sure all the tangles are out before I start braiding. So, okay. So now all the hair is separated into 3 neatly. And now I'll start braiding. That is the knotless braid right there. It looks so good. Okay. I have a yoga night to go to at 7 o'clock. What time is it actually? All right, so I'm gonna squeeze my scalp. It is 4 o'clock, yes. Why is the sun going down though? It's crazy. Anyways, 4 o'clock, so I have some time. I started getting a little nervous. Okay, so let's do the next one. So I am going to put my Shine and Jam on all sides. Okay, and then I'm going to braid it up. Okay, and then I'm gonna grab my piece of hair. I'm gonna fold it at the tip. Put it through. Put it on the hook, hopefully. Oops. Close the hook. Make sure all the hair is in the hook. And then pull it through nice and gently. Sorry, I get a little frustrated. Nice. And then do the next one because it is not thick enough as of right now. It's not thick enough for me. So I think I'm gonna do 2 on this one too because I made this hair pretty thick. I tried my best with stretching it. It was so much like tangles in his hair, like right now. I gotta make sure I get y'all the name of this hair. It came with a lot of hair, but to stretch it probably took a lot of hair, at least for me. But I'll get you guys the name. The hair that I used in my twist, tangle free, like it was a breeze. I feel like I need just like a little bit more hair. So I'm gonna take a small, this is pretty small. I'm gonna take a little bit more off of that. I feel like I need a little bit more hair. So I'm gonna add some to it. See, like with a regular braid, you'll just have to guess and then if it's too little, just have to go with the flow. I don't know what I did just now.
But with this, you can add and take away hair. Well, add hair. I don't know if you can take away hair. But you can add hair to it if you feel like it's too thin. Okay, so there's that. Let me come out. I mean, so I'm going to get hair all over my room. Because we love that. We love hair all over my bed. We love it. Okay, so there's that. And then I'm going to grab my piece of hair. I'm going to fold it at the tip. Put it through. Make sure all the hair is in the hook. And then pull it through. Nice and gently. Put it
Okay, so here we go. So you wanted to split it into 3 clean pieces. 1, add some hair to your hair. 2 and 3, nice and clean. And then I'm gonna start braiding. Because it takes me longer for some reason to braid when I'm recording, I don't know why, I'm gonna wait until I get to like the last row at the top, and then I will come back and show you the last bit. It is the next day. I decided to dip my hair in water, and then after that I ended up doing something. But when I was coming back today to do like an outro and show y'all the end results, I decided I wanted to add some pizzazz to my braids, some color. So I just had some leftover Water Wave by Freetress, and I took, it's like a blended color, it's supposed to be like blonde and black. I took that and I broke it into like 3 pieces to make it thin so that it's not too chunky. This one is kind of chunky though. But yeah, so I added that to my braids so I could put a little, you know, color to it or whatever. And I like it. All I did was, I'm gonna add 1 more piece. You could stick it in the braid or you could stick it at the root of the braid, wherever you like. So like right on this braid, I stuck it into the braid, and in this braid, I put it at the root of the braid. I think I'm gonna take this one out. I'm gonna take this one out because this one is kind of too thick, so I can show you. This one is too thick, I don't want it that thick. Here's a thinner piece. I like it really thin. So what I'll do is, I can add it to this one. So I just put it in at the roots, just like I did the braids, pull this through, and then, you know, like a regular crochet, loop it in, and then I add a little color. Ooh, that looks good. That was a good choice. In the front, I do have some braid jewelry. Let's see if they fit, because this is for skinny braids, I think. I don't know. But I'm gonna put them on here. Oh no, it's good. Oh, okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, Come on, join the family. I got some good stuff coming, okay? Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you click the bell so you get all of my notifications when I post. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Akimmie Nicole _. Thank you guys for watching.